Welcome to our latest video where we showcase the best-selling tools that every outdoor enthusiast should have in their arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned hiker, a weekend camper, or just love to spend time in the great outdoors, these tools are designed to enhance your experience and ensure you're always prepared for adventure. This is the award-winning Lifestraw personal water filter. It can go here, every day and on your favorite adventures. Brilliant! Ultra lightweight and portable. You can drink water from here, practically anywhere, and it's been trusted by outdoor experts, survivalists, and emergency response workers since we started. Drinking water straight from resources sound risky? It's not. With this technology, water passes through a membrane microfilter with microscopic pores that removes bacteria, parasites, microplastics, sand, silt, and sediment. The membrane microfilter lasts up to 1,000 gallons. Your purchase has impact. For every Lifestraw product purchased, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Everyone needs safe water. Stay safe. Pack a Lifestraw. The VSSL Insulated Flask is not just a flask, it's a fusion of innovation and convenience. This 8 ounces flask comes with a Bluetooth speaker that's double-walled and vacuum-sealed, ensuring your drinks stay at the ideal temperature, 10 hours cold and 5 hours hot. The weatherproof speaker provides 5 hours of playtime and can connect to up to 5 devices, making it perfect for any outdoor setting. The flask's double-port drinking cap isn't just leak-proof, it also serves as a carabiner with a split-flip design for easy attachment. Made from premium-grade aluminum, the VSSL Flask is durable and designed to last, without retaining any flavors or smells. Whether you're on a hike, at a campsite, or just enjoying the outdoors, the VSSL Insulated Flask is your reliable companion for both hydration and entertainment. Ready to elevate your outdoor gear? Grab yours and step into the wild with your favorite tunes and a perfect sip. Step into the great outdoors with the Asfrost rechargeable camping lantern. A versatile and powerful source of light designed to meet the demands of any terrain. This lantern's innovative design includes a foldable tripod and a telescopic pole that extends up to 97 centimeters with a 180 degrees rotatable lamp head for optimal lighting. It's compact, easy to carry, and its magnetic base offers flexible placement options. Tailor your lighting needs with stepless color temperature adjustments and 3 brightness levels, ensuring you're never left in the dark. The robust 10,000 mAh battery provides long-lasting illumination and doubles as a power bank for your devices. Built to endure, it boasts IPX7 waterproofing and a durable aluminum alloy head. With Asfrost's commitment to quality, backed by a hassle-free warranty, this camping lantern is an essential companion for any outdoor enthusiast. Ready to light up your journey? Check out the link in the description. The Giriaitus Multitool is the epitome of functionality and design, offering a 7-in-1 solution for any situation. Crafted with precision and durability, it includes a wrench, knife, screwdrivers, and an emergency car window breaker, among other tools. Its compact form factor and safety locking design makes it the ideal everyday carry. Whether it's for a quick fix or a critical situation, this multi-tool has you covered. A thoughtful gift for the practical person in your life, it's a versatile addition to any outdoor adventure. For those who value preparedness and quality, the Giriaitus Multitool is a standout choice. Check out the link in the description to make this multi-tool a part of your essential gear. Embark on your adventures with the SpotX Bluetooth two-way satellite messenger, your lifeline to the world when off the grid. This handheld device ensures you stay connected, syncing with your cell phone via Bluetooth, allowing for seamless communication with loved ones or emergency services. It boasts its own dedicated US mobile number, so you can send and receive messages anywhere under the Globalstar satellite network. The SpotX offers peace of mind with its SOS feature, connecting you to a 24/7 search and rescue service. You can message back and forth and get confirmation that help is on its way. With GPS technology, share your exact location with friends, family, or rescuers at a moment's notice. With SpotX, you're free to explore the world, knowing that you're never truly alone. For those who wander but are not lost, SpotX is here to ensure your safety and connectivity. Check out the link in the description to get yours and start your journey with confidence. Conquer any trail with Trailbuddy trekking poles, engineered for durability and comfort. These poles are built to last, crafted from aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum, tougher than carbon fiber yet light enough to reduce fatigue. With an adjustable height ranging from 54-inch to a compact 24.5, they're versatile for adults and kids alike. The one-hand operated lever locks make adjustments quick and effortless, even on the move. The ergonomic design extends to the padded straps and moisture-wicking cork handles, ensuring a secure and comfortable grip. Plus, the threaded foot covers keep accessories in place, no matter the terrain. Whether you're traversing rugged landscapes or enjoying a snowy expedition, Trailbuddy trekking poles are your reliable companion. They offer stability, support, and the confidence to explore further. Ready to step up your hiking game? Trailbuddy is here to guide your path. Illuminate your world with the Olight Imini tool, a keychain flashlight that packs a punch with its 50 lumen output. Its instant activation is as simple as detaching the body from the magnetic cap, making it a breeze to use in a pinch. The integrated USB plug ensures you can recharge on the go, achieving a full charge in just 60 minutes. Designed for convenience, the Imini tool's magnetic base attaches to any iron surface for a hands-free lighting experience. Despite its small size, at only 55mm long and weighing a mere 19.5 g, this flashlight is built tough with an aluminum body capable of withstanding drops from up to 1.5 meters. Whether you're navigating the dark or need a reliable light source in emergencies, the Olight Imini tool is your portable beacon. It's not just a flashlight, it's a durable, everyday carry essential that you won't even notice until you need it. Ready to light up your adventures? The Olight Imini tool is here to shine the way. Chill out with the Arctic Zone Titan Deep Freeze Cooler, a marvel of modern cooling technology. This zipperless cooler features a unique flip-open lid for rapid access to your chilled items, maintaining ice integrity for up to 2 days. It's spacious enough to hold 16 cans, making it ideal for your next outing. The cooler's deep freeze performance insulation, coupled with a radiant heat barrier, ensures your food and drink stay cold during travel, tailgates, or picnics. The innovative hardbody liner with smart shelf allows you to separate hard and soft items, preventing any squishing of delicate foods. Designed with your convenience in mind, it includes an adjustable back-saver shoulder strap with an anti-slip pad for easy carrying. The rugged, water and stain repellent exterior is a breeze to clean, ensuring longevity and hygiene. Whether you're an avid camper, tailgater, or simply love a good picnic, the Arctic Zone Titan Deep Freeze Cooler is your reliable companion for keeping things cool. Grab this cooler and make your next adventure a chilled affair. Imagine a camping trip where the only buzz you hear is the laughter of friends, not the pesky hum of mosquitoes. That's the peace the Flextail Tiny Mosquito Repeller promises. With its efficient dual-sided heating technology, it's like having a shield against bites, reaching a toasty 329°F in just 2 minutes. And it's not just about repelling. This gadget is a beacon in the night with its camping light function, offering 4 levels of brightness adjustment for any outdoor scenario. Weighing a mere 5.2 ounces, the Flextail is the epitome of portability. Its round design and magnetic bottom mean you can attach it anywhere, your tent, your backpack, or any iron surface. And with a high-capacity 4800 mAh battery, you won't be left in the dark or swatting at air. Enjoy up to 11 hours of repelling power or up to 60 hours of light. The IPX5 rated water-resistant design and rugged housing can take on the elements, so you can focus on making memories. And if your phone runs low, the Flextail has got your back with its emergency power feature. The link to make this game changer yours is subtly waiting in the description. Go ahead, embrace the great outdoors. The Powerlix Ultralight Inflatable Sleeping Pad is your ultimate outdoor sleeping solution. With its revolutionary hexagon design and body mapping technology, it provides unmatched support and comfort, adapting to all your pressure points. It's a luxury you can carry, rolling up small to fit any backpack, and comes in a variety of colors to suit your style. Inflation is a breeze with the dual-action, non-leak air valve, making setup and takedown effortless. Lightweight and insulated, it promises a restful sleep in any environment, from mountain treks to lakeside camps. Constructed from durable 75D nylon with thermal insulation, it's waterproof and resilient, ensuring you stay warm and undisturbed by the uneven ground. Sleep under the stars and wake up ready for adventure.